Amanda, and I'm a parent of Sally Field. Okay. So we had an amazing presentation from John Okrekata, the Age Gracefully Global. This presentation is top notch. It's one of the ones I haven't seen in the longest of time. So we talked about health and how to live a very good life without even going to see the doctor, running in and out of the hospital. So the presentation was a short one and it was amazing. It's something, in fact, you need to really go about contacting them. Everything you need, the ambulance, the health, everything. They have everything you want. In fact, I'm so impressed. I'm so amazed.
Awesome ambulance. Like, I've entered ambulance, but this is my first time of seeing an advanced ambulance. This ambulance, I can call it a mini hospital because
one will be here. Then the machine will advise you shock. You see you press the shock button. It's off, right? Yeah, it's off. So
because they have all the machines, they have everything to put a patient in a stable condition before you can get to wherever hospital it is.
Okay, left and right. Then you press on the shock.
Now it's giving you an instruction.
This will give instruction. You just follow the instruction. Then if shock is required, if you tell you shock required, stay clear and it will shock.